Welcome back to my channel. We have switched up the location. It is only 5 o'clock and it's already dark outside, so I had to switch it up a little bit, but hey, it's Christmas. We got the fireplace on, we got the Christmas tree over here. It's all good. So for today's video, I'll be unboxing a few items that I've been collecting throughout the month. I have some Forever21, which is probably the store that I purchased the most from, H&M, and Nasty Gal. So let's get right into it. Okay, so I want to start off with the items that I actually picked up during the Black Friday sales. So a lot of these pieces I think are still on sale online, so I'll definitely be sure to link anything that's still in stock below. I know a lot of these pieces come in different colors, so you might not find the exact colors, but you can find the exact pieces. So if they are still in stock, I will link them down below. All right, so the first item I want to talk about is this cropped turtleneck sweater, and it is in a size extra large. I accidentally found this on my way out, so I saw it, I loved the color, and I just loved cropped sweaters, so I had to pick it up. I love how oversized it is, and if it's too long for a cropped sweater, I thought I could always just tuck it in underneath my bra or whatever, but I thought this was so cute. You can pair this with skirts, jeans, leggings to make it casual. You can really do a lot with this, so I am very happy I picked this up, and this was only $19.99, but I did get 30% off, so great deal. Now the next item is this big oversized sweater. I did get a size medium only because I did not find any other size in this, so I just picked up the medium. It's an oversized sweater, so regardless, it was going to be oversized, so why not make it a little bit more? And I loved the look of this. The sleeves are big and bubbly. It has a little cuff sleeve. It has that drop sleeve detail, so you know it's gonna look good. And the material is amazing. It feels thick, and it feels like good quality material. So I love this, and I just figured I could wear it with leggings, just lounging around the house or running errands. This is the perfect casual sweater. Now the next sweater I want to talk about is the one I'm wearing right now. So I did also pick this up while I was in stores, but I know they have the pink one online, so I think I'm gonna get it if it's still in stock, because this is so incredibly soft. It is a waffle knit material, as you can see, and it is like, look at these sleeves. I did get a size medium, so it might be a little bit more oversized because of that, but this is perfect. I absolutely love it. It's just cropped, waffle knit, super soft, and then you do get a little bit of a mock neck here, so it's super nice, and of course it's cropped, and I love it. And now the next item I did get online. So this is a shacket, and when I saw this, I just fell in love. Just looks so nice. So it's kind of like a wool material. Let me see. Okay, so it's 100% polyester, but look at that inside lining. That looks really like comfy and soft. This is what the shacket looks like, and it is supposed to be a little bit oversized. I did get a size small, and it has the pockets, has those nice little buttons, has pockets here on the side which are functional, and then you do get some pockets on the side, which is really nice. And then, you know, shackets are so easy to just throw on literally any outfit. You can be wearing leggings and a tank top and just throw this on, and then you look put together. So I definitely had that in mind when I picked this up. Let's see how this, oh, okay. So it's definitely a bit oversized. So this is pretty thick in a way, so I definitely think you can wear a like a thinner hoodie underneath this. If you want to wear a thicker hoodie, definitely size up, I think, because it's not as oversized as I was hoping it would be, but that's okay. I still like it. It's cute, it's neutral. You can literally pair this with anything. All right, and we have another jacket. So this is probably my favorite one, and it is a Plaid Shacket. It's in a size small, and look at this beauty. The colors are amazing. It is very neutral, and it looks pretty similar to the one I just showed you, except this is a little bit softer, and it looks a little bit more oversized. Again, these are so easy to style. You can just literally throw them on anything. Leggings is probably how I'm going to wear this, but it's so easy for fall, the winter. Throw on a hoodie underneath, make it casual. But yeah, so cute. So the last clothing item is this beautiful skirt. It looks a little bit wrinkled. I mean, it is wrinkled, but look at this. It's so cute. I've been wanting a leather skirt, so I saw this and I just thought, have to have it. So I hope I can get the wrinkles out, but it has a little slit here on the side. You do get a zipper detail, and I did get a size small in this. It has no stretch, just so you know, so hopefully this fits. I usually like things with stretch, but this is not stretchy at all. My initial thought was to wear this with a long sleeve sweater, maybe even that first cropped sweater I showed you. So this with this underneath, I think that would look so cute with some thigh-high boots or even combat boots, which I did buy. So let me show you those. So these are also from Forever21, and they do have a thicker sole, and I just think these are so cute. I did already try them on because I had to as soon as my package came in, but they are true to size. They have this really nice thick heel, thick platform, and it's just so, it's like the perfect combat boot. You can't go wrong with this. So now up next is H&M, and I'm so excited for this. I can't believe I didn't open my package when it came in, but let's open it up. So I think we know, just based off of the few items I just showed you, that I loved anything oversized. So if it's oversized, I want it. If it's not oversized, let's make it oversized. But I picked up this really, really cute oversized sweater from H&M. I did get a size medium, so again, let's make it oversized. It's already supposed to be oversized, but you know, that little extra does not hurt. So I did get a size medium, and it's just a basic crew neck. It is pretty thin, or it feels thin, and it's just so cute. I love the color. It is a gray charcoal color. It has downtown Los Angeles, California here on the side, and it's just so nice. I like it. I love it. I say I love it a lot. I'm sorry guys, but I do. If I buy it, I love it. So I'm not going to spend my money on things I don't love. So anyways, this does have that drop sleeve detail as well, so that is always flattering on oversized items. And last but not least, from H&M, we got some boots. I'm a little scared for these ones. I'm a little scared, I'm not gonna lie. I went out of my comfort zone here, very much out of my comfort zone, but I saw these and I had to have them, and then they sold out, and then I signed up for the restock. They came back. I just had to do it. I just had to buy it. It was meant to be, and now I'm scared, but we're gonna open it. Okay, these are very much out of my comfort zone. Oh, they look a little big. That's okay. Big, thick socks, right? Okay. Look at these boots. Okay, these are, I mean, they're so nice. They're a trendy item, I think. But look at these. Has a higher leg, don't know what to call this, but it's a little bit higher. For example, these are the combat boots from Forever21, and these are the H&M ones. You can see how much higher they go. but we love that. And this is very soft, so it looks like it'll be very comfortable to walk in, and it has a thicker heel as well, a little bit of a platform. Okay, let me try these on really quick. Well, that's upsetting. These are too big. Dang it. I'll have to take these back, but if you're going to get these, they're beautiful, definitely get them, but go down half a size or even a whole size down. All right, now moving on, we have Nasty Gal, and this is the first time I've ever purchased from them, but I didn't get any clothing items. I did get some shoes, so let's cross our fingers that these ones do fit. Let's just hope. I'm crossing my fingers. All right. Oh, I probably should have opened this nicer, just in case it didn't fit. Oh well. Actually, I got two things, so let me start with this. And this is a purse, a black purse, which is definitely a dupe to the Dior purse that's been going viral. So let's see how this looks. Okay. I don't know how I feel about it, but that's okay. So this is the purse, and it is a very much leather material. It's very shiny. It kind of, I don't know how I feel about it. I'm gonna have to, you know, try it on, put it on the side to see if it looks okay. It might look a little cheap, but that's okay. It's okay. It is very soft. It seems like it would be really good to just throw on. And it comes with this big strap. So it comes with the big one and a little smaller one, so you can hold as a little handbag or a crossbody bag. So that's super nice, and it has this gold ring here, and it's pretty spacious in there. Look at that. You can fit a lot of stuff in there. And it also has a little zipper in the bag, which is nice. You can fit a lot. I'm not mad about it. It's cute. Definitely a dupe. Look at that. Cute. Okay, now the shoes. So it comes in this little bag. Okay, I like them. They're just what I thought they would look like. So this is what they look like. They're a long heeled boot, and it has a little bit of a square toe, so it's different. I like it, and I would say this is like a 2.5, maybe 3-inch heel. Okay, I'm gonna try this on, see if it fits. Okay, so they fit, and I'm happy. The heel is the perfect length. Look at this, it's a perfect height. The square toe is different. We love the ankle part of the boot. It goes up a little bit higher, which I always love. I think it's more flattering for some reason. So we love that. It's a leather boot, which is very classic in my opinion. So we love that, and it's just a heeled black bootie is a staple in anyone's closet, or at least mine. I think very much a staple. I'm just very happy these fit. The last item is from Hazel and Olive. This I found on Instagram, so I figured I would go on their website because that's what I do. I just love shopping, and they were having a sale, so I had to check them out. And I found a pair of jeans for $12. Literally $12. So of course I got them. Like, why not, or why wouldn't I actually? So I got the jeans, so let's see what they look like. I've never purchased from them, so I don't know what to expect, but let's see. I got a size small. They're a straight leg jean, and they have rips. That's right, I almost forgot. So this is what they look like. They're a simple straight leg jean. They have some rips on the leg, and of course it's a straight leg. It's a light wash. It's very light denim material, so I feel like they're going to be very comfortable. Alright guys, so that concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.